Jeremy. Jeremy, we got to make the second part of the video.
Oh, sorry. We're still at Disneyland.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jeremy.
And we are still at Disneyland. This is our part 2 of our favorite things at Disneyland in both parks, taking you guys along with us. Some things we're going to do that are a little bit different today are we're going to see Fantasmic for the first time tonight. And I don't know, we don't really have an agenda. We're just going to enjoy all the Disneyland vibes.
Yep.
What's something like you really want to do today?
Ride something I've never ridden before.
Ooh, I like that.
What about you?
I want to get a snack I've never gotten before.
Ooh, sounds good too.
Yeah, we have different priorities. Rides, snacks, we're going to do it all.
Yep.
All right, come along. Hi, good morning. Jeremy is sleeping in a little bit this morning. He didn't sleep super great last night, but I have headed into the parks. I am in Disneyland, gonna enjoy some morning vibes while he gets a little extra sleep. I'm gonna start out in Fantasyland and just kind of enjoy the morning Disneyland vibes. Come along. Sleeping Beauty. How'd you sleep?
I haven't had any coffee or breakfast, so...
Okay, we're gonna fix that.
Yes.
I picked up the signature cocktail. This is a wild berry mule. It's Tito's vodka, blackberry puree, lime and ginger syrup, and blackberries. So, looks delicious. I love how it comes in this little tin cup. Cheers. That's good. It's not too sweet. It's nice and tart. I like that a lot. That's really good. I love a good vodka-based mule with Tito's vodka. It's very good.
Picked up the pot pie soup.
This is the appetizer.
Yes, the appetizer.
Looks like a really good, like, fluffy biscuit in there.
Ooh.
You love chicken pot pie, so I feel like you would know if this is good.
This is good.
This is good? Okay.
Very, like, flaky, really good salt, like the base of it.
Not too, like, salty or anything. Ooh. Looks good. Nice. I picked up the, I forget what, it's like a meatball appetizer. So I just cut one in half. This is what it...
It's like deviled meatballs.
It's like deviled meatballs. You can kind of see that. Cheers. That's a really good flavor. It's got some like peppers and onions in there. I think that's, I don't know. Is it cheese? I'm not sure, but it's very creamy. Little tomatoes in there. It's very good. I picked up the pumpkin spice pancakes with a side of sausage. Also, I think this is a hidden Mickey.
I think so.
Look at that. Am I reading too much into the hidden Mickeys?
No.
All right, let's try this pumpkin spice pancake. Get some sauce. Here we go. Cheers. That's really good. Let me try a bite of this sausage real quick. Cheers. Yeah. Nothing special about the sausage, but it's fine. It's cooked well. These pancakes, if you like pumpkin, these are delicious. These have a wonderful pumpkin flavor. I think this is like a pumpkin like glaze. Oh, it's so good. Really, really good. I like it a lot.
And I picked up the Cuban sandwich. So it's pulled pork, ham, cheese, and pickles with mustard. I'm gonna give it a try with alpha sauce first.
Okay.
The bread's so crispy, and the flavors hit you instantly.
I love this because I love the pickles in it.
Yeah, you taste the pickle right away. Try this. I don't know what it is, but it works.
Is it like a mustard? Like a Dijon? I don't know.
It may be, but it's like a little bit thinner than that.
Yeah. You like it though?
Yeah. Try one of these fries. Can't beat that.
Solid fry?
Solid.
Nice. I like how they're like the curly fried. I always like those. I don't know why the shape matters, but it does.
It does. It makes it taste better.
Nice, nice.
Picked up the apple cobbler.
For a second, I thought that was whipped cream, but it's ice cream, right?
Ice cream. It's so good. You get the coldness of the ice cream with the warmness of like the apple pie filling, kind of the crumble of the granola.
Are there like other berries in it? It looks like it's like strawberry or raspberry, like red in it.
Maybe cranberries.
Okay.
Or yeah.
It's like multiple fruits. I got the house-made pudding. It is a chocolate pudding with peanut butter chantilly and chocolate peanut butter pieces. Ooh.
I guess it's not like a cup.
Okay, That is like, honestly, it's like a Reese's cup in like pudding form. It's excellent. Really good.
is a snake.
Oh, you're looking out the window. How could anyone understand? Down, down, down.
Top of the crowd.
Wait!
This way.
Okay.
Rule 42. The queen.
Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse.
have just enjoyed a very fun late morning, early afternoon. We ate at the Riverbell Terrace, so we're gonna have reserved seating, like viewing area for Fantasmic. I know the Riverbell Terrace gets like a really bad rap, like that it's not good food, but like, I don't know, we loved it.
I loved it.
Maybe we were really hungry.
complaints.
I don't know. Like we didn't have any complaints.
Yeah.
The service was slow, but like
But the food
it's
was
Disneyland and like
yeah.
there's a lot of people and it's busy. Like service is typically not like
Yeah.
super quick anyway, anywhere you go. But I thought the food itself was great.
Yep.
We ate there, then we went and rode. We did something that we've never done before. We rode the Casey Jr. Circus train.
Yes. That was neat. It's like
was cute.
nostalgia kind of thing.
Yeah, it's really cute. It gave you like a little tour of the Fantasyland area. You got to see the patchwork quilt area, which
Yeah.
is one of Walt's favorite areas of the park. And it's really cool that they still have it today. Then what did we do after Casey Jr.? We
On to-
rode. No, we did Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a great ride.
That's a fever dream, but it's really fun.
Yeah.
I love it. It's very unique that it's a dark ride, but it goes inside and outside. Then we did Haunted Mansion Holiday for the second time. Loved it.
Yeah. I saw some stuff I didn't notice
Yeah.
in the first ride through.
It's definitely one of those you need to do it a few times. And I'm sure like even if you keep riding it throughout the season, like there's probably still stuff you haven't seen before.
Yeah, exactly.
We got some more coffee. Oh, we rode the Columbia.
Yeah, the sailing ship. It's neat. It takes about 10, 12 minutes, I guess, to go all the way around the what's the section called?
I want to say Rivers of America, but I don't know if that's right. If
think that's
that's
right,
if that's
yeah.
wrong, then I'll put the correct thing
I think
here.
that's right. You go all the way around, and this is like just a relaxing little trip.
Yeah.
And then we did Big Thunder Mountain
Yes.
Railroad.
I love this version of it. I don't know if you have heard, but they are going to be closing Big Thunder Mountain in Walt Disney World in Florida for an entire year, and I think they are revamping it. I'm hoping that they add like the dynamite scenes that are here in Disneyland, because that's like my favorite part. I think it's
Yeah, I
really
think they
cool
will.
technology. Always a fun time.
It is. I think now we're going to head back to ride Pirates.
I think we're going to ride Pirates again. I know another thing we really want to do today is to head over to Disney California Adventure to try to see the lights come on in Cars Land at sunset, and we want to ride Radiator Springs again.
Yep.
Other than that, I mean, like we don't really have an agenda. We're just kind of vibing. So I hope this is helpful and it's
Hello. If you are new to the area,
Yeah.
the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to
Out here tonight. I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not mine.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Prepare for decontamination.
Ma'am, in the third row, that's your husband. If he doesn't behave today, you just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Ta-ta!
All right, wrapping up our final day
I
at
know.
Disneyland.
I don't remember when our last check-in was or where we were.
Well, let's see. So we just did Monsters Inc.
Oh, and yeah, we did Monsters Inc., which was super fun, and Roz talked to us. That's
Yes.
the second time, or both times that we've done it. She talks directly to us, she's like, you in the third row.
Is that your husband?
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Mm-hmm.
We are gonna do Soarin', and then I think we're gonna go back over to Disneyland. I don't think there's anything new that we're doing over there, so I think the rest of the video will probably just be a montage of vibes and us just relaxing, enjoying our final evening here in Disneyland.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so sad to leave, I think because we don't have another trip booked.
I know, but I think we made good use of our time.
Yeah.
Did a lot of fun stuff, ate a lot of good food.
I think we did everything we've wanted to do. I just love coming to Disneyland because I feel like it's so relaxing. It doesn't feel like I'm rushing around.
Right.
It's so charming.
Yeah.
I just love it.
Yeah, day and night.
Some of our very favorite rides exist only here. So,
Right. Yeah.
I'm hoping to go to Fantasmic, and then I also just want to enjoy evening Fantasyland vibes. So if we end up doing that, I'll put that here.
Some imagination, huh?
I think Big Thunder Railroad.
Yeah, that's a good one.
What was yours?
I think Haunted Mansion Holiday is really growing on me, especially doing it a second time. Like, there's so much detail in there. They did such a good job. I think I might still be partial to Haunted Mansion in Walt Disney World.
Yeah, me too.
Let us know in the comments. How do you feel if you've done Haunted Mansion Holiday and or Haunted Mansion in Walt Disney World? Which is your favorite? Because I feel like that's a very divisive topic.
Yeah, let you guys duke it out in the comments.
Yeah, let us know. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us while